Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video. So in the previous video, from some previous video, we are making a series for Python basics. So this is about how to read a text file. For that, we are not creating a text file, we are just calling it by using the variable. So what is variable? You can just make sure that it will be given in some previous Python basics video, and you have to check whether this uh, file is available. If not, it is available means it will create an error. For that only we have given a try. So within that we have given with open. So what is with is going to do means, once we are opening an open is used to open a file, and by using this with, once this open operation has completed its work, it will ensure whether the file is closed or not. If not means it will close. For that only we are using this with, and open is used to open the file. File path is nothing but the variable in which we have called the variable, that is file, which is in text format. Then r is used to, the word r is used to read the file. For that only we are using r. If it is a writing means it will be w. Based on writing, we will just make some previous next video, or in the as a continuation of the same video itself. Then read is going to read all the contents. This one is going to read all the contents which is present in this example.txt, and with that the contents will be stored in this content variable, and we are printing this file content, with the word file content, and we are printing this content. Then if not, this file is not found means, in that case we will get a file not found error, and here the file path, which is the file name of the file, will be displayed. So here, so this is the folder which we are having. So here if you notice means, we are having a text file but its name is output.txt. Other than that we are not having any text file. So if we run, we will get this error, that is the file is not found. But within we are having an file dot output dot text, right? So we can just work with it, and I'm just running. So in this case, the output dot text contains this all the contents within this output dot text will be displayed. So if you see means, the output dot text is having this content only. So it is mentioned this file content is what we are giving this file content. So in the next video we will be giving like how to write a text file. Thank you.